where at the end of it, you just feel so tired, drained, and want to relax. So you sit on the sofa and turn on the TV. When you're just about to settle in, and you realize that you're not alone. The first one strikes. Oh yeah, you guess it. It's a mosquito, the nature's vampire! Mosquitoes are annoying. They cause a lot of itchiness, and they can ruin our relaxing time. Perhaps the only one good thing when it gets to mosquitoes. When they fly into our bedroom at night, they prefer to bite my sister. But it's fascinating, right? Why does she receive more bites than I do? The answer is the smell. We all smell differently and produce chemicals on
I think you smell fun.
Yeah, me too. I think so too.
Oh yeah.
That smells.
We produce chemicals on our skin that either attract or repel mosquitoes. Some people are just more attractive than others. So my sister smells nicer than I do, or I just stink more than she does. Mosquitoes find us in the dark by sniffing us out. When we breathe, we exhale carbon dioxide, and mosquitoes have sensors to detect the scent, like a pie cooling on the windowsill. Mosquitoes also have eyes to see the shade of black and white, and still other sensors to help them zero in on heat. Here are 3 things to make you attracted to mosquitoes. To begin with, alcohol. Alcohol makes our blood vessels dilate and warm blood move closer to the surface of the skin. That warmth is especially attractive to mosquitoes. Number 2, sweaty. If we are sweaty, we are more likely to be bitten by mosquitoes because of the lactic acid buildup and odor. Now, raise your hand if you are a man.
A man.
Oh.
Congrats, mosquitoes love you.
I know.
Men are more likely to attract women.
Yeah.
When compared to women. Well, much of it is because of the size. And larger people tend to emit greater heat and carbon dioxide. Now, we know what makes us attracted to mosquitoes. What parts of the body do mosquitoes like to bite? To find the answer, Dr. Bark, a vector biologist, set up an interesting experiment. He put naked people in a large cage. And in large cage, he released mosquitoes to see where they prefer to bite.
Oh, God.
And the result, he found an interesting, a very remarkable difference. So on your left-hand side is the bite by Dutch malaria mosquitoes. You can see they have a strong preference to bite the face of this person. In contrast, African malaria African malaria mosquitoes had a strong preference to bite feet and toes. I guess that's why they are called mosquitoes.
That's a Lester.
As a result, scientists they started to focusing on the smell of feet, the smell of human feet. They want to use feet to attract mosquitoes and kill them all together. One day, scientists surprisingly found out something more useful to attract mosquitoes. It even smelled badly than feet. It's not Paul's stinky socks.
Thank you.
It's a kind of cheese from Germany called Limburger cheese. Leg cheese. The scientists tried with a little piece, and guess what? It really worked. It worked so well that it had shown to be 2 to 3 times more attractive to mosquitoes. Now, the aroma of Limburger cheese is used in Tanzania to fight against malaria. Limburger people should be very proud of their cheese. It's helping people. Now, we've learned some facts about mosquitoes, but how to avoid them? Here are 3 natural ways to prevent mosquito bites. To begin with, do take shower and wash your feet. You hear that, Paul?
Okay.
Why? Because remember that mosquitoes love us the most when we are smelly, sweaty, and have a stinky feet. Number 2, wear tightly woven and light-colored clothes. Mosquitoes cannot penetrate clothing that has a tight weave, and they are not likely to notice you in light color. Number 3, avoid going out during dusk and dawn. Mosquitoes are weak flyers, so when the sun rises and sets, the wind will dissipate and brings the mosquitoes out. In clothing, I know that we are not going to feel ecstatic when seeing a mosquito, though they will be ecstatic when seeing us. But at the very last, we should give this little insect more respect, because that mama mosquito